to 8 minutes, sufficient time to prepare for your safety.
This is not a test. Please take immediate action. The United States is under nuclear attack from the forces of the People's Republic of China. An indeterminable number of nuclear missiles have been launched, and the U.S. Air Force has confirmed Chinese bombers are soon to reach U.S. airspace. This is not a test. By order of the Office of the President of the United States, U.S. citizens are...
Reserve your family spot in a state-of-the-art underground vault.
This is not a test. The United States is under nuclear attack. U.S. citizens are to seek immediate shelter. This is not a test. Citizens enrolled into the vault program are to report to their assigned vaults immediately. Do not delay. Citizens not enrolled into the vault program and who attempt to gain unauthorized entry into an vault will be met with deadly force. This is not a test. This is not a test. The United States is under nuclear attack. Citizens are advised to gather a minimum of 14 days worth of food, water, clothing and medicine. This will allow you to wait in one place until the all clear sounds. This is not a test.
Now you can be a hero too, by purchasing a residence in a Vault-Tec vault today. Because if the worst should happen tomorrow...
Confirmed reports of multiple nuclear detonations in these areas are as follows: Honolulu, Anchorage, Seattle, Portland, Sacramento, Spokane, San Francisco, San Jose, Los Angeles, San Bernardino, San Diego, Salt Lake City, Boise, Las Vegas, Idaho Falls, Bakersfield, Redding, Phoenix, Reno. If you are in or near these areas, stay where you are. Do not attempt to leave your shelter under any circumstance. More strikes are imminent. The United States is under nuclear attack. This is not a test. For those who reside in the following regions, please take notice: North Commonwealth, Plains Commonwealth, Texas Commonwealth, Midwest Commonwealth, East Central Commonwealth, Gulf Commonwealth, Southeast Commonwealth, Columbia Commonwealth, Eastern Commonwealth, New England Commonwealth. Seek immediate shelter. Multiple nuclear strikes are expected within the next 5 to 10 minutes. This is not a test. Citizens enrolled into the vault program residing in these regions are to report to their assigned vault immediately. Vault-Tec personnel will have all of your details. Ensure to take only valid identification. Leave your belongings and then family members who are not enrolled behind. Citizens not enrolled into the vault program who attempt to gain unlawful entry into an vault will be met with deadly force. This is not a test. Citizens who are not enrolled into the vault program are to stay tuned on their television or radio to the emergency broadcast system and to seek immediate shelter. Ensure to gather enough food, water, clothing and medicine to last a minimum of 14 days. Civil Defense will be arranging centers for the general populace once the all...